How to change TikTok username before 30 days. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your TikTok username without waiting for the 30-day limit. Stick around till the end so you don't miss anything important. Let's get started. First, open the TikTok app on your iPhone or Android. Once TikTok opens, head over to your profile page. From your profile, tap on the three lines at the top right corner. Then open Settings and Privacy. This will take you to the main settings page. Now, scroll all the way down until you see an option called Support. On some older versions of TikTok, this might be called Help Center, so tap on that. You'll now see a page with different help articles. At the bottom, tap on the Chat with Us button. TikTok will now open their AI chatbot. This bot won't really help us, but you still need to follow this step. Type a message explaining that you accidentally changed your TikTok username and you need to change it again before the 30 days are over. Send the message and wait for the bot to reply. Once you get the automated response, tell the chatbot that you need to talk to a real agent. After that, you should see an option to submit a ticket. Tap on Submit a Ticket and write the same message again, clearly explaining your problem and asking them to help you change your username as soon as possible. After submitting the ticket, all you need to do is wait. Usually, TikTok replies within 24 to 48 hours. If everything goes well, they may allow you to change your username immediately without waiting for the 30-day limit. If this video helped you out, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.